Today's topic is going to improve your life.
Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
In recent 10 years, the internet has been developing very quickly. The cost of storage, the power consumed by computer and hardware are increasing. The storage space in the data center can't meet our needs, so we need new solutions. Cloud computing is a technology that has come full circle in recent years. Computer equipment used to be too expensive for an average individual to own. The original industry model was a computer mainframe with dummy terminals. This fits the technical definition of cloud computing in a primitive sense because all data was stored and accessed from the mainframe. With the advent of the microprocessor, MS-DOS, and Windows, hardware and software prices dropped and computers became commonplace in businesses.
Cloud computing is becoming more popular than ever before. The idea of cloud computing was first introduced in the 60s. Today, cloud computing is widely used in everyday life. There are many advantages to cloud computing, but with everything in life, there are always disadvantages. This video will focus on how the dependability of cloud computing holds up with all the new evolving changes and updates to the cloud computing service.
Cloud computing is becoming more popular than ever before. With the growth of technology and people around the world using the internet more often, the cloud is becoming more popular than ever before. The United States National Institute of Standards and Technology has defined cloud computing as follows. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, for example, networks, servers, storage, applications, and services, that can be rapidly provisioned.
Google Cloud Platform is a provider of computing resources for deploying and operating applications on the web. Its specialty is providing a place for individuals and enterprises to build and run the software, and it uses the web to connect to the users of that software. Google Cloud gives you options for computing and hosting. You can choose to do the following. Work in a serverless environment. Use a managed application platform. Leverage container technologies to gain lots of flexibility. Build your own cloud-based infrastructure to have the most control and flexibility. You can imagine a spectrum where, at one end, you have most of the responsibilities for resource management and, at the other end, Google has most of those responsibilities.
Google Cloud Platform, GCP, offered by Google, is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. Since the announcement of the App Engine, Google added multiple cloud services to the platform. Google Cloud Platform is an excellent infrastructure as a service solution that integrates with various Linux distros as well as with Windows Server through 2016.
Google Cloud Platform, offered by Google, is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. Once your data arrives with Google, it is encrypted in order to keep it secure within its cloud servers. Google Cloud Platform, whose cost can be determined by contacting the company, has grown. Some notable companies that are using Google Cloud Platform, Compute Engine, or App Engine, include Spotify, HSBC, Home Depot, Snapchat, HTC, Best Buy, Philips, Coca-Cola, Domino's, Feedly, Share This, Sony Music, and Ubisoft.
Google uses 128-bit AES encryption for all data that is at rest. Although this is not as strong as 256-bit encryption, it is still considered future-proof for the time being. Google Drive is a personal cloud storage service from Google that lets users store and synchronize digital content across computers, laptops, and mobile devices, including Android-powered tablet and smartphone devices. Google Cloud Platform is a collection of cloud computing. Google Cloud Platform is a collection of cloud computing products by Google. It offers hosting on the same supporting infrastructure that Google uses internally for end-user products like Google Search and YouTube.
The platform provided to us by Google Cloud helps us to build, test, and deploy applications on Google's big infrastructure. We can choose from a wide range of services provided by Google, like computing, storage, and application services for our web, backend, and mobile solutions. The Google Cloud architecture defines how the flow of a user data takes place in the Google Cloud. It also defines the use of different services it offers to a user. The architecture shows how storage and processing of information take place in a Google Cloud. User interface: Google Cloud requires no specialized hardware or software.
It has an easy and efficient user-friendly interface. All we need to do is log into the Google API's console and enable Google Cloud Storage, and then we can easily upload data on RESTful and HTTP interface. Reliability: 99.9% better uptime by using Google Cloud Storage through its highly available data replication system. Scalability: we can store an almost unlimited amount of data. It's the world's largest cloud providers for IT industries and individuals. It provides scalable, reliable, and low-cost cloud computing platforms at a fast pace to help industries and individuals launch their applications. Services such as SES, email service, SQS, Queue service, SNS, notification service, Elastic Beanstalk, etc. are high-performance services that can be used in any application.
Cloud allows us to store this huge amount of data in a comparatively less cost. The database is a collection of related information which helps us to find useful information from it. The database must be in an organized manner. The information in an unorganized manner has no meaning. The cloud database is a database-like collection of related information that is stored in the cloud. Cloud database run on cloud computing platform. Cloud computing is architecture for providing computing service via the Internet on demand and pays per user access to a pool of shared resources, namely networks, storage, servers, services, and applications, without physically acquiring them. So it saves managing cost and time for organizations. Cloud security is becoming a key differentiator and competitive edge between cloud providers.
Google Cloud provides a variety of storage services, including consistent, scalable, large-capacity data storage and cloud storage. Cloud storage comes in several flavors. Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, such as Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. It provides a series of modular cloud services including computing, data storage, data analytics, and machine learning. Registration requires a credit card or bank account details. Google Cloud Platform provides infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and serverless computing environments.
Google Cloud Platform is a provider of computing resources for deploying and operating applications on the web. Its specialty is providing a place for individuals and enterprises to build and run the software, and it uses the web to connect to the users of that software. Google Cloud Platform is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end-user products, Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. The emergence of new technologies has seen the growth and development of IT. There are many ways in which the Google Cloud application assists users when creating, storing, sharing, and transferring data. The purpose of the Google Cloud Platform is intended to allow users to create complex and simple websites.
One of the trends in developing sectors is the demand for personalized websites. The Google application encourages programmers to write applications using the common programming languages such as Java, Python, Go, and PHP to develop specified languages. The cloud platform provides reliable forms of storage for users by allowing them to host large forms of data. Google Clouds take advantage of traffic splitting, which enables users to try various versions of the applications. Cloud computing is one of the technologies in IT, which allows users to personalize their information and data to their personal needs.
The Google Cloud Platform has introduced changes that encourage users to own their own websites without worrying about the management of the administration of their database. Users have the ability to take advantage of newly introduced technologies by the company. One of the main strategies of Google Cloud Application is to create systems that make it easy for users to manage their programs, servers, websites, and software. The development of the industry has realized the need for users to start their own cloud accounts.
Please share the video, subscribe to our channel.